Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, healthy and balanced nutrition. Let's get started. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the substances in food that provide energy, build body tissues, and support our body's functions. Nutrition consists of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients. There are three types of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, proteins repair and build tissues, while fats are a source of long-term energy. Micronutrients. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. They are needed in small amounts but are crucial for various bodily functions, such as growth, the immune system, and chemical processes in the body. Balanced nutrition. To keep our bodies healthy, it's important to have balanced nutrition. This means that our diet should include a variety of foods, including vegetables, fruits, grains, animal and plant-based proteins, and healthy fats. The importance of water and fiber. Additionally, don't forget the importance of water and fiber. Water helps in nutrient transportation and removing toxins from the body, while fiber aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Avoid processed foods. Avoid processed foods, which are often high in sugar, salt, and trans fats. Instead, try to cook your own meals with fresh ingredients as much as possible. Top nutrient sources. Some of the best nutrient sources include salmon, leafy greens, legumes, and whole grains. Remember to reduce your consumption of fast food and sugary beverages. That's a brief overview of healthy and balanced nutrition. By eating wisely and diversely, you'll provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more information on health and nutrition. See you in the next video.